In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Trello boards. Well, sort of. Now, if you've ever found yourself wanting to combine information from two different Trello boards into a single place, you might have noticed that Trello doesn't actually have a built-in feature to merge boards. But don't worry, there's a workaround that can help you achieve a similar result by copying the lists, cards, or even entire boards into one consolidated board. Let's walk through this process step by step. First up, you'll need to head over to Trello.com, open up your preferred web browser and enter www.trello.com in the address bar. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. You have a few options here depending on how you first set up your Trello account. You can log in using Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack credentials, or simply use your email address. Look for the login button, which is conveniently located at the upper right corner of the screen, and click it. Now, as we mentioned earlier, Trello doesn't allow a direct merging of boards. Instead, you'll need to copy the content from one board into another. We can start by copying individual cards, navigate to the card you wish to copy and open it. On the right sidebar, look for the copy option under the Actions menu and select it. This will pop up your Options menu for copying. Here, you can name your copied card and decide on the specific elements you want to keep, such as labels or due dates. Importantly, you can also choose where you'd like to copy this card. This means selecting the destination board where you want the copied card to go. Some of you might find working from the board view more intuitive. In that case, an alternative method is to right-click the card directly from the board view and select Copy. This can be a faster option if you already know which cards you need and where they should be transferred. Now let's say you want to go bigger and copy entire boards. Start by opening the menu of the board you wish to duplicate. From the menu, choose More and then Copy Board. This option will not only clone your board structure, but will also transfer all your cards and their descriptions. This can be particularly handy if you're setting up similar projects or want to retain a template board. Remember, duplication means you will still need to manage both boards independently once copied, but this process helps centralize your tasks and streamline your organization. Once you familiarize yourself with these steps, moving information across Trello becomes a breeze, providing you the flexibility you need in managing your projects. And there you have it. That's how you can effectively merge, or rather consolidate, your Trello boards. Happy organizing?